Here Mzundu. I'm meeting with my grandfather, who known as Mr. Ngoso. Mr. Ngoso, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Are you good?
Well, yes.
Do you know me?
I know you very much.
Who am I?
Well, I've forgotten your name, but it is Mr. Yusuf's daughter.
No. Not Mr. Yusuf daughter. I'm a Yusuf son.
Yusuf's son, yes.
Yes.
I know.
Have a difference between daughter and son. So I'm a Yusuf son.
Much I know. And
Okay.
where do you come from by now?
I am from Kono, but I'm living in Dar es Salaam. But I'm a boy who was born with Kwamugwe ward with this Handeni district. But today I'm here Mzondo because of you, because you are my grandfather and I'm much respect with you. Yeah.
So now I'm very happy to show you.
Yes.
Because I'm your grandfather.
Yes, I know it.
You know it very much.
Yes, and I'm agreed.
Have you got a wife?
No.
Are you married?
No, I don't have.
You must be married because it is not only poison kills but evil love. And you can't get your life without wife. But wife is enough to cut your life. If you want to cut your life, you're going to marry. You can cut your life as soon as you want. I'm Mr. Ngoso actually from Mzundu. I've completed only 1959 in Kwamkono Middle School. Up to now, several years passed. Since 1961 up to now, I think more than 66 years. Isn't it? That's why I'm just continue the English up now. You catch me very much?
Yes, I'm casual, and I think so. Do is for explanation. You was talking it. We thought we have a wife. We never be have a progressive. We never be have a development. Okay, I think so. If talk it with, I think so. Even wanna progressive, we must be have a lot of person who actually still always have a passion with their brain. So even you get things known as positive advertisement and motivation, I think so you will succeed.
Yes.
Okay, I got it, but I want to advise you one thing, or I want to tell you one thing. My passion now, I'm focused with football. And last time, I was once joined with youth nation team there, Dar es Salaam. And after that,
where the place of this? That's
Dar es Salaam. Yeah, I was playing with Simba under 17.
Isn't it?
Yes, I'm a footballer. After that, I was moved Dar es Salaam up to Mbeya, the Green Field. I was playing with Tanzania Prison UD20. And now time I would be back Dar es Salaam, and I was joining with Once Academy, which known as Mwamnyeto Foundation. So now time I'm signed with Mwamnyeto Foundation, but I'm here great for you and visit you because even I meet with you, I will get a positive one. And
then you are very happy.
Yes. And then if you want a lot of blessings, you must be back with your parents. Or parent was your parents. That means the daddy of your dad is called the grandfather. So I'm here with my grandfather and I'm enjoying with it, and no life without be have an elder man. So I'm enjoying a lot. I'm enjoying a lot because the world is still gold always. So you're my gold ones. I'm appreciate you, Mr. Ngoso.
Thank you.
Just take it.
Thank you. I'm very happy because, but I'm very happy, and then I'm very sorry because there is a woman who's called Evelyn.
Evelyn.
Yes, she has died since the day before yesterday. So today we are burying her.
So that means she was died with Monday.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
Go on.
And that body, it has gone to Korogwe, and yesterday it has turned back. By today, we are burying that now to the church. They have already gone to the church to complete each and everything here and there, and then to go to burying there.
Okay.
So that's very good when I saw you very much with your father.
Okay. Do is thanks for giving me that information, but do is our Islamic principles. We here under the sun, we were created with a God, and we must be back with a God. So do is our with our Islamic principles. When someone died, we say Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajiun. Do our Islamic principle.
Yes.
So we must say in a life or in a Rajun, and we must play with her because they never do anything now. They still bankrupt. So we must play with her if we wanna that her live with a good place. So that is, I think we get that one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me pardon my name. My name I'm known as Samkwaz Junior. This one is my grandfather, who known as Ngoso. Ngoso is a family with my real my grandfather, who known as Samkwaz. So it's a family and a friendship. So today I'm here Mzundu with this my grandfather, and that one is my dad, who known as Yusuf Samkwaz, and I am Saleh Samkwaz. So that one is my dad. So I'm enjoy with it because I'm meet with my host, my grandfather.
So let me tell you one thing.
Okay.
I am the person who is called Ngoso. But when you call me in English, red is the animal.
Oh, red.
Yes. No.
How about difference between the red and
well, it's the opposite. Because as you know, red is animal and Ngoso is a person like me.
I think when last time you advised me, even you don't tell me Ngoso, I'm an animal. So even you're animal, let me call red.
No, please.
No, please what?
Red is animal. Animal is animal. Like goat or cow. And there is one thing.
Yes.
There is a person who's called Sui.
Sui.
When Sui.
Sui.
So when you call him like that, call him Sui. But if you call it Chui is animal.
Okay. Today I'm meeting with my grandfather, who known as Mr. Ngoso, but not Ngoso.
No.
Ngoso means?
Ngoso, it is my name exactly.
Yes.
But when you call me in English, red is animal.
Okay. Let me ask you a question.
Mm-hmm.
May you make a differentiate between Mr. Ngoso and Ngoso?
Mm-hmm.
May you make
that is the opposite.
Opposite?
Yeah.
Have a difference between Mr. Ngoso and Ngoso?
And Ngoso, yes.
Bring me a differentiate between Ngoso and Mr. Ngoso.
Ngoso is me and red is animal. Full stop. No.
You don't have a lot of words.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me pardon. I'm done here with Ngoso. I'm here with Mr. Ngoso.
Yeah.
And this one is my grandfather. He lives in Mzundu. So when you wanna meet with this boy, with this big guy, we learn a lot with this because old is still a gold. This one is not a only Ngoso. This one is a gold with my life, and I think so. This one is the mirror with the society. He was learning his education with a lot of days, a lot of years passing. So if you meet with elder man, that means you meet with gold man. So this one is a gold man with our life. So more thanks with and Mr. Ngoso.
Hello.
More thanks.
Thank you very much, even you also.
Okay. When you wanna meet, let me pardon it. When you wanna meet again with someone known as Ngoso, just come here, Mzundu. This one is not only Ngoso, but is a famous person.
Yeah.
Anyone who can tell, hey boy, I wanna go with Ngoso, you'll direct with this house. Yeah. Okay. More thanks. Thanks to my grandfather.
Thank you very much indeed.
Okay.